every lesson we do the same routine every lesson. We start our lesson hitting off the tee. We start with the ball up the middle, put it at a good level for the kids, not too high, not too low, and just swing the bat normal. Right? This is to get loose for the first couple rounds. Okay? We emphasize keeping the eyes on the ball, because a lot of kids want to do this, Toma. Look, right? Like they're on TV. So I tell them the importance, how important it is to keep the eyes on the ball. So watch. I hit it, stay right there. Okay? So we do that for about 20 pitches. Just right here. Work on the batting stance. Work on their knuckles, line up the knuckles. Tracking the ball. And keeping the eyes on the ball. Right? Do that for 20 swings. Okay, you can stop it. You can stop it, Thomas.